Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to get WhatsApp link. So let's get started. Firstly, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device, then simply go to any conversation. And inside the conversation, simply go to the messages and type down wa.me slash followed by your phone number in international format. WA dot slash and write down your phone number using the international format as in plus and your international code, phone number code. Then press enter after you complete it. So WhatsApp will generate a link that you can share with others after this. This link will allow them to message you directly on WhatsApp when they click on it. Copy and the generate link, use it to share with others via text, email, social media, or any other communication platform. So by following these steps, you can easily create your WhatsApp link. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.